Hello, Alexis. I hope the way I say your name is right. Very pleased to meet you. I saw your clip, your match clip. I do like your concentration on the match. You are totally focused on the match, on your opponent. And I can tell you were playing to win. That quality is really good for your age. Your age, quite many players, when they lose, they became distracted, angry, disappointed, head down. But I didn't see any of those kind of action during your match. So you have a great quality, because such kind of quality normally born with it. Now, your hitting skills overall for your age, very good. Your movement skills in different corners are very good too for your age. Particularly, I like your hitting skills of hitting shuttlecock in front of your body. I have to point out, when shuttle goes there, up here, you go, you hit. You watch there, watch shuttle, at the same time, your face is over there. You are not turning like that and hitting like this. That is great for me to see that. And both sides, you are doing that way. Very good. Just one thing you should try to find out is you are doing a little bit of a winding swing. For example, you set, you hold well. You go, you hold well. And when you swing here, your racket goes that way, down, down and hit. So there is kind of a little bit of a pushing. Here, there, and there. You set, and there, there. Set, there, there. Some players, they do it a lot, big, like that. Like that. But you are not doing it that much. But you are doing it kind of a 30%, little bit. So try to change it from there to there. Here, there. Here, there. Here, there. Here, there. Instead of here, there. 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 I am pointing this out now because this action is crucially important, because you will do smash, clear, drop shot in same way. So compare here, bang, here, bang. It's different. I really want you to study. And there are two more things I would like to point out from the clip. You should train more, look and go, there. And after the shot, ready, ready. Side, hit, ready. Net shot, hit, ready. At the moment, you don't do much recovery steps. It's more hit, bring, and move. Hit, move. Hit, move. You are doing the one, but need to do more powerfully and more often, every time. Number 3, try now, it's time for you to develop more deceptive, advanced shots, hitting skills. For example, you ready? Shuttle is coming to the backhand side. Instead of do that, try to do that, hit. That, net. Hold, flick. Forehand, hold, net. Hold, flick. But at the moment, it's a little bit bigger swings. Same. Like that, same. Hold, like that. There, without big swing. So conclusion, the very important thing for a player to be better player in the future, you have it. Your concentration, focus, manner is great. There are 3 things I am pointing out. The first thing, this action, try to be more deceptive, more advanced way, sharper way from little bit of a winding way. Number 2, do more one and then hit, recover, hit, recover, hit, recover. Push over steps, recovery steps. It's now time for you to training those movement skills. Number 3, it is time, you can do it, not too young. It's a right time for you to try, is do more advanced shot, less action, more deceptive. Hold, hit, instead of most of shots that way. Hold, hit, not that way. I really would like to see how you develop your badminton. You have a lot of room for improvement. Very good to see you, and very good to meet you too.